Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Today we'll show you how to send emails in Java Spring Boot with Gmail SMTP. Open your Spring Boot project and add the Spring Boot starter mail dependency by running the Spring init command and choosing Spring Boot starter mail when prompted. Alternatively, go to the POM XML file and add the dependency manually. Add a new service by creating a new class. We'll name it Email Service. Declare that this class should be managed as a service bean with @service annotation. We'll need Java Mail Sender to send emails, so we'll declare it as private and inject an instance in the constructor. Create a send email method and pass the to, subject and body parameters as strings. Build a new message with a simple mail message object. Configure the set from field with your Gmail email address. Then set the to email address, the subject and the message body. And add a mail sender instance to send the emails. Go to the application properties file and modify the SMTP configuration. Set the SMTP host to smtp.gmail.com, the username to your Gmail email address, and the password to your app password. You can generate the app password in your Gmail account manager. Now create a controller by creating a new class. We've already prepared it and named it Email Test Controller. Declare email service as private and final, and inject it into the constructor. Define the send email test method and specify the values of the to, subject and body parameters. Add the return line. Everything is ready, let's start the service. To test the setup, create a request in the HTTP client. Copy the testing endpoint from the email test controller file and add it to the localhost URL. Run the code and check the inbox. Success! All done. You're now ready to send emails in Spring Boot using a Gmail SMTP server. Watch our dedicated tutorials to learn how to send emails with a third-party SMTP service and an API. All the links will be available in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to see more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.